Hi, I'm Sarah, and today I'll be talking about how we made a Power BI dashboard using the National Survey on Drug Use and Health. This dashboard is located on the first tab of the Substance Use section of the Hawaii Behavioral Health Dashboard. Now let's begin with the tutorial. A CSV file containing the data from NSDUH was imported to Power BI. The table contains columns such as indicator, substance, demographic category, time period, and so on. To upload this file, click on Get Data. You can also manually add data by clicking on Enter Data. The table that you have uploaded can be viewed by clicking on the Data tab on the side panel and can be edited in Power BI by clicking on Transform Data. If the file was edited outside of Power BI, simply hit Refresh to update the file. The main page of this dashboard displays 2 graphs, 2 cards, and 4 slicers. Graphs can be created by clicking on the desired graph icon under Visualizations. Variables can be dragged and selected from the Field section to assign values to be displayed on the graph. Cards were added to this dashboard to display key data. The cards that you see here can be found by clicking on the Get More Visuals icon. The title of all the graphs and cards are dynamic, and this was achieved by creating a measure and using DAX. Once the measure is made, click on Add a Function instead of typing in the visual title and choose the newly created measure. Slicers were used in this dashboard to filter the data displayed on the graphs and cards. Slicers can be displayed as a drop-down or a list. Interactions between visuals can be edited by clicking on a visual and selecting Edit Interactions under the Format tab. As you can see, the filters on the graphs and cards are turned off for the bottom 2 slicers. Therefore, any interactions made for the bottom 2 slicers do not affect any of the visuals on this page. This main page utilizes bookmarks to change the bottom 2 slicers so that the user can choose to filter the data by substance or by demographic indicators. Bookmarks can be created by clicking on the View tab and selecting Bookmarks. Buttons were used to switch between bookmarks and are found under the Insert tab. To set the desired destination, enable Action. The 3 buttons at the top left corner, as well as the Apply Filters button at the bottom, are set to change pages on click. Slicers on the different pages can be synced by clicking on Sync Slicers under the View tab. By doing so, the same slicer options on the summary page will be displayed on the By Substance page. That wraps up this overview of how we built the NSDUH dashboard using Power BI. Thank you for watching!